Are you tired of struggling with heavy vacuum cleaners that don't deliver the cleaning power you need? Enter the Oiiwns Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with 25 kPa powerful suction, a game changer in home cleaning. Let's explore how this vacuum makes cleaning a breeze. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction for deep cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and pet hair with the 25 kPa suction power of this cordless vacuum cleaner. Equipped with an upgraded 250W powerful motor, it effortlessly tackles carpet dust, cat litter, pet hair, and more. Choose from 3 suction modes to adapt to various cleaning needs. LED display for effortless control. No more guesswork about the performance of your vacuum cleaner. The LED display provides a quick glance at battery level, suction performance, brush clog alerts, and suction clog warnings. Effortlessly adjust settings with a touch, making your cleaning routine more efficient and worry-free. Efficient filtration for a cleaner home. Featuring advanced cyclone technology and high-density meshing, this vacuum captures the smallest particles with up to 99.99% efficiency. The 2 HEPA washable filters prolong the vacuum's life, prevent dust accumulation, and deliver fresh air, creating a cleaner and more environmentally friendly home. Detachable battery for extended cleaning. Enjoy an uninterrupted cleaning experience with the large-capacity detachable battery. With up to 40 minutes of runtime in standard suction mode, you can cover larger areas or multiple rooms without frequent recharging. Choose between charging directly or separately for added convenience. Lightweight and flexible design. Maneuvering around your home has never been easier. The cordless vacuum's flexible LED brush head with 180 degrees swivel sideways and 90 degrees up and down effortlessly reaches tight spaces. The LED headlights illuminate dark corners, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Versatile cleaning for every corner. This vacuum goes beyond floors. With a 6-in-1 design, including a 2-in-1 brush, sofa brush, and extendable metal tube, it effortlessly transforms into a handheld vacuum for stairs, sofas, desks, cars, and more. The extendable tube is perfect for cleaning high places like curtains and ceilings. Gift-worthy cleaning companion. Looking for the perfect gift? Consider the portable cordless vacuum cleaner. Ideal for pet owners dealing with pet hair and other challenges, this versatile and lightweight vacuum is a valuable tool for maintaining a clean and tidy living space. Experience the cleaning revolution. In conclusion, the cordless vacuum cleaner with 25 kPa powerful suction is not just a cleaning tool. It's a revolution in home cleaning. Embrace powerful cleaning, effortless control, and versatile functionality to transform your cleaning routine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.